Hello friends, welcome back. On this channel I like to do thrift flips, DIYs, designer clothes hacks, and this is my first home renovation video. Today I'm showing you how we had the floors redone in this zombie house. If you did not see part 1, the link is listed below. Make sure you watch this video until the end because I have a special announcement. What is a zombie house, you ask? Zombie homes are properties that have 1 to 4 units and they've been abandoned and vacant. They're physically distressed. There's graffiti, there's trash all over the property, there are repairs needed, there's overgrown weeds and bushes, and now, welcome to my nightmare. For those of you who did not see part 1 of this renovation, and for those of you who need a refreshing of your memory, here is a montage of the floors when we moved in. So here are the stains that I had to choose from. Can you guess which one I chose? I really didn't want anything that was too orangey, like the one on the left. Dark wood floors are really going out of style now, even though I still love them, so I didn't pick the one on the right. And the one next to the dark one on the right was a little too light for me, so I went with the second one from the left. Ready for the floor transformation? Here are the stairs before, and here are the stairs after sanding. And here are the stairs after 3 coats of poly satin stain. The stairs came out beautiful, but we still have to paint the kick plates and the balusters white. Here is the living room before. Here is the living room after sanding. After staining. Here is the playroom before we put in new sheetrock and the new floor. Here is the playroom after we installed a new floor. Dining room before. Dining room after sanding. And dining room after staining. Here is the kitchen floor that we ripped out, and it leads to the hallway here, which then leads into the laundry room, and replaced all of that with new flooring. The entire house has new appliances, which you will see in an upcoming video. Here is the upstairs hallway platform when you get to the top of the stairs. And here is after sanding. Master bedroom before. And here is the master bedroom after. If you're enjoying this video and you'd like to see me post more videos of the renovation of this house, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and let me know, what do you think was the next step that we did on this renovation?
Mommy, how about a new TV show?
Awesome! Thumbs up. And for those of you who didn't understand what Ava was just saying, she was saying that Nonni and me have our own little show. So it's more of like a vlog, but since I babysit all the time and we do such fun and have so much fun and so many giggles, we decided to do some videos and post them. So I will leave a link below. It's called Nonni and Me, and it's just going to be all fun stuff for kids, dancing, singing, playing, and lots of giggles. Thanks for watching.